Good morning, everybody. So it is Monday, April 6th. I just got out of the shower. I think I'm gonna take a walk later. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody is staying safe and practicing that social distance as always for the last couple of days. But I'm gonna go ahead and spruce myself up a little bit. My skin is dry because I'm gonna be doing something to my brows, and I'm gonna be doing my lashes. And then I'm gonna shampoo my hair and so show you all what I use on my hair to give it that moisture. I will be showing you what my hair looked like before I shampoo it, so that way you can get a clear view of what it looked like before.
Welcome to my channel.
A couple of things, my brows. I thought I had lashes, but I'm not sure if I have enough. But definitely going to do something to my brows. But I definitely need them done. And as you can all see, they're thin. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take just a little razor, the brow razor. And this is what I'm going to use to clean it up. I'm also going to shape them and trim what needs to be trimmed with this right here. I'm going to use some astringent to wipe my brows down and stuff like that. And then when I'm done, since I don't have my oil that I normally put on my eyebrows, I'm going to use like some Vaseline just to kind of give it a little shine. Okay, everyone, so this is my personal brush. I keep one at the house, and I also have one at the salon that I use on my clients. This type of brush you can find at the beauty supply store, and it's a really, really good brush. Also here, you're going to be seeing me apply the Cool Mist Astringent across each eyebrow and then in between. This is going to protect my skin from using that razor. Okay, and this is one of my favorite razors. I love this razor because it gets underneath the eyebrow really good. You don't have to struggle when you're doing the bottom of the brow. As you can see, I have one side done, and I'm about to do the right side, but I wanted to show you what it looks like before I even go to the next side. It is very important that when you're doing your eyebrows that you take your time and that you make sure you're doing things right. Now, let me tell you about these scissors. I got these scissors from Tamika from the Weave Experts. I'm not sure if you all heard of her, but I just love her. I have 2 in silver and 1 in gold, and these are everything. I will put a link down for you guys. I love these. These are great for cutting tracks, cutting the thread. I mean, I love them. So as you can see here, I am going underneath the eyebrow one more time. Just want to make sure that I got all the straight hairs from that side. Now, I usually go to my daughter to get my brows tinted. But, as we all know that, in my city, all salons are closed to April 30th. So I'm going to have to wait till we open right back up. But she does my eyebrows. She tints them for me. And now we're about to go to the right side, y'all. And I noticed both my eyebrows, they are completely different. So I want to be really strategic when I'm doing this eyebrow because as you can see, my left brow is a little bit higher than my right brow, of course. But the goal is to try to get them as close as possible. So I'm also left-handed, so I'm taking my time as I use this razor because I'm so used to being able to start on the left side. So I want to take my time when I'm doing that brow. And I want to make sure, so when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you're pulling that skin tight so that you can get a good grip and that you can get to those hairs. I used to go get my eyebrows waxed, but I decided to just start doing them myself because when I would go to get them waxed, because my eyebrows are so thin, they would thin them out even more. And I didn't like that very well, so I just stopped going and I decided to, you know what, let me just do my brows myself. I'm a hairstylist. I can do them myself. And here, as you can see, I'm pretty pleased with them. Yeah, I love them. And so I'm going to take my Mica shears and go in and make sure I trim the top. And I also did it, you probably won't see it here, but I also did I trimmed them when I brushed them down and trimmed them at the bottom as well. So, and you take your time doing that. There you have it, both brows. They look good. I'm happy with it. Yeah, I think I'm cute. So now I'm going to put alcohol. I know I said I was going to use the Cool Mist, but I decided to use the alcohol because I used the razor so much on my skin. I wanted to make sure that I use that alcohol on there. I use it on the sides. I use it in the middle. And so now I'm going to take a little bit of Vaseline, a thin layer, and just kind of apply them to my brows and in the middle. So my brows are done. What do y'all think? I think I did a pretty good job. I matched them up, look pretty well, and they look pretty much even to me. Okay, now it's lash time. Okay, so y'all are not going to believe this. I had some footage. I'm not sure what happened. I don't know if I deleted, showing how I apply these lashes. But as you all can see, I do have the left side done. I really do like it. I don't like it full. I want it to look as natural as possible, and that's the goal. These are actually individual lashes. I normally get the mink lashes, but I'm home. I figure I just do the individuals myself. Okay, now this white tray, it came in a 6-pack and I got it from the Dollar Tree. I love it. I kept one at home and I kept a couple at the salon. The glue that I'm using is from Ardell, and the lashes that I'm using is Ardell lashes. I think. I'm not sure. I cannot remember. But that was on the footage as well. Okay. So as you can see, I'm getting ready to start on the right side. I got some of that side done. And these are the short individuals. I love these lashes. I used to wear the mini ones, but you really couldn't tell that I had them on. So I decided to just go ahead and just do the regular short. I'm happy. I'm doing a dance. Oh, yeah. Perfect. I'm fanning. I usually have my fan, but I didn't bring it. It's still at the salon. So my hair is next. Let's get started. Okay, so as you all can see, these are the products that I'm going to be using on my hair. It is very, very, very important that when you use the products on your hair that you use natural products, products that are for natural hair. So we are going to be using the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Sulfate-Free Shampoo. And then we are going to be using the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Conditioner. And then we're going to be using the Almond and Avocado Detangling Leave-In Conditioner and the Long A Curl Activator to make those curls pop. Okay, y'all, here is my before. This is what I look like before. Y'all get to see those curls popping all over my head, but as you can see, my hair is kind of dry. So you're going to see me shampoo my hair at least 3 times because I want to make sure that it has as much moisture as it needs. So let's get started. I'm excited. Okay, so we are going to start with that shampoo first. And as you all can see, my sides are really, really extremely thin. I'm going to show you what to do, especially for some of you that has those thin. You want to make sure that you're using warm water on your hair, not hot, because that can really cause your hair to dry out. This is my 3rd shampoo, and the thing is, I only used one. I'm going through my hair. I'm kind of tender-headed, but as you can see, the comb is sliding through because of the amount of conditioner that I use. Sometimes you have to do this, and it's working pretty well for me. The comb is going right through. I'm happy with it, and look at that, sliding right on through, y'all. Right on through. Let it go right on through. And what I did was I let the conditioner sit on the hair for like 5 to 7 minutes. I think it might have been like about 8 or 9 minutes, but I did let it sit on the hair. And what that does is it keeps that moisture in the hair, and it makes the hair a lot softer. Okay, it's time to rinse it out. You guys, when you rinse this conditioner out, you want to You want to understand that you have to be patient, take your time, because your curls will be defined. And as you can see, my curls are starting to come in really well. Okay, everybody, so I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Here's my before and after. If you want me to do more videos like this, just let me know. I thank you all for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up. Please be safe, take care of yourselves, and please stay home.